add to the price of the home over time because of the square footage. And if you're putting a basement in, remember that your basement, like in a ranch, is really the same size as the first floor. So if you have an 1,800 square foot ranch and you have an 1,800 square foot basement, you're also going to have an 1,800 square foot roof. And those three components, primarily the basement and the roof, are some of the most expensive parts of the home. And as you increase the size of that, you will ultimately increase the cost. However, if you think about how you're going to live in that house and how long you can stay in that house, and putting these design characteristics in place, you would weigh that against maybe having to move to another facility or another apartment, if you will, the quality of life that you'd have there versus the quality of life you can build into your new home, and then versus going to some sort of assisted facility that can be very, very costly as well. So you have to look at the total cost of how many years that you plan on being in that home and adding that to it versus doing something else. Wider hallways, of course, will make more square footage. Wider doorways will require more square footage, especially when you have to swing it against the wall. You're going to want a little bit more space there to swing that door open. So all of these things are great, but you do have to realize that they are also cost adders.